everyone, it's Gillian and welcome to a brand new vlog. I have got so much to catch you up on. As you can see, I am more moved in. I'm pretty much completely unpacked, which just feels so good. I feel so much better to be settled in my new space. I have been doing so much shopping lately, whether it's for my apartment or for Christmas. Christmas is literally a few days away, which I just cannot believe how quickly it has come around. It just like sneaks up out of nowhere. I need the Christmas season to please be 6 months longer. And don't worry, because each time I went shopping, I took along my vlog camera and brought you all along with me because I love watching people go shopping, especially for home decor and furniture and all that. First of all, I went to IKEA because I needed some new storage solutions for under my stairs and my shoes. So let's go to IKEA, my favorite place on earth.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating. We have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can't go on again. 'Cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine.
IKEA was definitely a success. I had to restrain myself from just buying absolutely everything. I feel like I go in there for one thing and then I just come out with 10 times as much. I also recently decorated my apartment for Christmas and it made me so happy to decorate a new space for Christmas. I had so much fun just going around and making it as sparkly and glittery and just putting fairy lights literally everywhere so it looks so pretty at night. But definitely my favorite part is the Christmas tree. And I also went and found some cute little Christmas shops to look around and they totally made me feel so Christmassy. And oh my gosh, you guys, wait till you see how magical these places are. And I filmed a bit of me decorating the Christmas tree, so you can see that here.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And Just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream.
So today's plans have actually changed a little bit. I'm about to drive out to my mum's house and I'm going to leave my car with her because last night Sydney had the most random intense hailstorm. Where I live, we were pretty lucky. The major hailstorm went around us. We just got a lot of rain and thunder and lightning and wind. But at my family home, it was pretty bad. It was one of the, I think, one of the worst hit areas. And I'm now about to go out there and see what damage has been done. I know that my brother's car has to be towed. It's completely smashed. I know my mum's car isn't drivable, and I know that hail went through the shelter over our back patio. I just can't believe that hail was strong enough to do that. Normally I stand under that shelter and watch the storms. I never thought that hail could actually come through it. So like I was saying, Sydney had a massive storm yesterday. It was the most beautiful day. It was sunny, it was warm, and then in the matter of minutes, this hailstorm just came over. And normally we know when they're coming, but this time it just came out of nowhere. My mum just texted me and said, it's hailing. And I was like, oh, okay. I was like, how big are the hailstones? And she sent me this picture. And I have personally never seen hail that big. I have seen hail about like that big before, but this was, some of the hail pieces were the size of a cricket ball or a tennis ball. Yeah, so that was a bit unexpected. So I'm driving out there now so that my family has a car because they can't drive their cars and they need a car more than I do. And so I'm gonna drive my car out there and then my mum is going to drive me back and then she's gonna drive back with my car. I don't know if any of that made sense. I feel like I'm a bit rusty on vlogging. I'm a bit all over the place. I'm trying to like recap what's been happening these last couple of months. Before I go, I just want to check. Oh, here you are. I was just coming to find you. Okay, bye. I was just coming upstairs to find Minnie. But while I'm here, I thought I'd show you the one piece of art I have on my wall. This is my one piece of art that I have up. I found it on Etsy and I am so obsessed with it. I wanted a print like this ever since watching Gossip Girl, and I found one and it's got these gold acrylic letters and it's so beautiful. As you can see, it's quite high up and this was definitely a struggle for me and my mum to get up there. So let's hope that it stays up. While I was moving, I found my car mount for my vlogging camera. I thought I'd lost it, but it turned up. So yours now on a car mount, which is good. Hopefully you'll stay there and won't fall down. My car mount is so tricky and I can never flip the viewfinder out to see if I'm actually in frame or if I'm actually recording and in focus. So fingers crossed that you can see me and hear me, but if you can see and hear me, I am off to mum's now. Did it just go straight through? Went straight through the chair. What do you think, Echo? It's a little while later now and I've just been doing some filming and I'm chilling on my super comfy bed. My car's now at my mum's place, which is great. It means that they have a car now and they can get their cars fixed. I saw the cars in person and I cannot believe that hail can do that much damage. My brother's poor car, it was worse than I thought it was going to be, and I'm just so shocked at what hail can do. There were broken tiles, there was debris all over the roads. It definitely needs a massive cleanup. I went out the back and saw the shelter, the pergola, and the fact that hail just went straight through it. There's like little shards of plastic everywhere. There's holes in the roof from where the hail just went straight through. I do know that it was one of the worst affected areas in Sydney, and there is definitely a lot of cleanup happening there. There was so many volunteers and SES, and there was fire trucks everywhere just trying to fix people's roofs before Christmas. And the rain is still, I think, supposed to keep coming, so they're trying to fix the roofs so people's houses don't flood. Quite sad to drive around and just see everyone's houses just covered in tarp and debris, and so close to Christmas as well. Everyone had their Christmas displays up, but it was just pelted by hail. Just driving down the streets and seeing car after car on the street with their windscreens just completely shattered. Did you like how my mum secured the tarp over my brother's car to stop the rain getting in? She used Christmas lights because she didn't have any rope. That's being super resourceful. I would not have thought to do that. Other than that, I am feeling very tired now. It is quite late at night, so I think I'm going to end this vlog with some footage of my Christmas decor so you can see how I've decorated my apartment for Christmas.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear.
I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!